So this program is the assignment for you, similar to the earlier program. So the question is, write an assembly language program to read switch given in below figure. If switch is closed, turn on the LED, else turn off the LED. So this is the circuit given there. From the circuit you can see port 1.1 is connected to the switch and port 1.2 is connected to the LED. So you make port 1.1 as input, port 1.2 as output, and write the program. So if switch is closed, LED should on. If switch is open, LED should off. There are two methods to do that. First method, you can use some conditions. Say like the condition is, if port 1.1 is 1, then port 1.2 is also 1. If port 1.1 is 0, then port 1.2 is 0. So this condition, using this condition you can do, say for example you can use JC, jump if carry, and you can use that JC instruction in the program and do that. This is one method. Another method is the earlier method. What we did, we just copied the content of port 1.1 to port 1.2 using the move C comma port 1.1 and move port 1.2 comma C, that instruction. This is the earlier same program, only the ports are changed there. Two methods are there. You do both the methods and see, send it to me. Okay, so this type of programs will be asked in the exam for minimum 4 marks and maximum 6 marks. See, module 1 will not have any programs. Module 2 and 3 will have programs. Module 2 programs, very simple programs which has no loops. Module 3 will have programs which has loops. Loops means if you are using DJNZ and CJNE instructions in the program, then they are called as loop instructions. So there will be a program. But best thing is, whatever we do it in the lab programs, whatever lab programs are there, similar programs comes in module 2 and 3. Theory parts is only this much. So from the next video onwards we will do the module 4, that is the timer and serial port. Fully it is a theoretical topic. We will finish off the theory first, and hardly there are 3-4 programs in the 4th module. That also we will do it in the videos. Thank you.